My name is Nigel Leu-wai-see. I'm a Verizon field technician. I've been so for 23 plus years. I am in installation and maintenance. Anytime a customer needs service, especially during these times, I'm your guy. My favorite thing to do in my spare time is actually to play chess. I also watch chess quite frequently. I was a student at NYIT, Manhattan, New York. In between classes, a 9X technician came to repair one of the payphones. I pretty much attended to looking in all the different electrical components. Once I saw that, I said, you know what, I think I want to venture into this line of work. They instituted the Techsy application where technicians didn't have to go into the home. We were able to do a lot of our repairs and installations virtually. They have a face covering policy. I have to wear a mask as well as the customers I see. And I'm glad they were able to communicate that to keep me safe. Earlier in the pandemic, having good, reliable service was tantamount to her finishing out that semester. She finished with all A's, so that was actually pretty good. What motivates and inspires me is the customer satisfaction. I also support the technicians that I work with, my coworkers, the management team, and vice versa, they support me. I was given the honor of ringing the opening bell at the New York Stock Exchange. Could not believe it. I couldn't stop smiling. Every time I think about it, it makes me smile. Verizon is the company that's always responding to challenging times, pandemic storms. Particularly 9/11, Verizon responded by deploying every field technician that they could have to the downtown location, 140 West Street, the building that is in my territory. That building was damaged, and Verizon actually ran 3,000 cables out of that building directly to affected buildings and neighborhoods to restore service. I actually spent that same night in one of the local hospitals. Verizon actually communicated there may be a need for our technicians to help with communication needs. I helped the construction teams a lot with the underground cables in that particular area being in disarray. There was definitely a great need for a technician, so I'm glad that I was able to help. I am actually very mechanical. It turns out I can fix anything. I'm a planter. Anything I plant tends to grow. I'm also into karaoke. I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Have customer satisfaction at the top of your agenda. Be open-minded, be able to adapt to change, be a thinker, be a bit technical. It'll definitely help you along the way. I hope to achieve a leadership role at Verizon, keeping the company on the path that Hans has laid out. We are a communications company, and that's what we do.